Okay, now we have all the configurations for the web service like this, and for all the configurations for the search service as well. Now let's try to deploy our services. Right, for that one we need to go to the terminal again. So let's go to the web directory, for the configuration directory inside the web. So these are my so I can go to the web. Right, then I need to invoke something, this command map setup. Map setup will do the actual server setup and install all the tools. Actually I have done this part, so I don't do it again, so I'm not going to do that one again right now. I have already done that for the search service as well. Now all the servers are set up. I only need to do the deployment only. So let's do that one. So what I need to do is map deploy. I just need to invoke the command map deploy, and it will bundle my application locally and upload it to the servers. Then let's do the same thing for the search as well. So I'm inside the search configurations, so I can simply invoke the map deploy. So this will take up to like 2 to 3 minutes depending on the network and the size of your bundle. Then let's wait for that one. Okay, now both our servers are deployed right now. I think everything is okay. Right, you can see from the logs, status logs. And now let's try to access our application. So let's go to the configuration again. So you can access your application using the balancer URL right now. It doesn't need to be that fun. I'll show you why. Right, and then okay, I can go to the browser. I can paste this one. From the balancer I can access my application. So now all the data is coming from that. Then I can also search like this, first render, right? So this search is powered by the search service, and I'm accessing this search service directly from the client side. So I can show you that. So let's open the terminal. So actually browser console on the terminal. I can go to the network directly. First let's try to load this one. Right, I can go to the WebSockets. You can see from the WebSockets. Alright, we have 2 WebSocket connection. The first one is for the web service, and second one is for the search service. That means all the actual processing happens on the search service, and it's directly connecting from your client to the search service. Right, and if we notice, now you can see the URL on the browser. It's something like this, ending on the 101 in the IP address. But if you look at the WebSocket connection, this URL is a different IP address. Actually, if you look at this IP address, it's another balancer URL. That means this is how cluster works. Cluster actually distribute all the WebSocket requests or the DDP requests throughout all the balancers. So even you load the app using the IP address like this, using different IP address, that's the power up cluster, and it can distribute the load among all the balancers available. And this is our deployment, and everything works fine, and we can continue to go to the next stage where we configure our application for the domain name and DNS settings. Okay, see you then.